Welcome back. Happy New Year, everyone, and I hope you had a great Christmas. I was checking out Facebook Marketplace during the holidays, and I stumbled upon a playset that I have never seen before. It was $40 Canadian and was by or from a local seller. So I decided to check it out and thought it might be a nice addition to my collection. It was brand new in box and it looked pretty cool. From the Everything Barbie wiki page, Fashion Fever is a line of Playline Barbie dolls that went from 2004 to 2008. Basically, Fashion Fever sits in between Fashion Avenue and the Fashionista lines. Fashion Fever came with a line of dolls and furniture. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. And here's Christmas Barbie just for decoration. And this is the chair and the guitar and amp are partially out of the box. Nice little setup. I'm going to take time and cut it out because it's on really good. It's in there good. It's in there with like metal, these things here. So I'm going to just take a minute to cut it out and then we'll all take a look. So here is the light. So here's the chair and the guitar and the amp outside of the box. There's a lot of shadow here because unfortunately I don't have a modifier on my light. There's the chair. And the modifier. So taking a close look at the chair, let's see. It's made of fabric. It's pretty nice. Good, decent quality. It's plastic. But it's really nice. It's detailed. It's a really nice addition, actually. And a little cute little guitar and amplifier set. Let me make sure you guys get a good close look at this. Very detailed as well. With the strings. It doesn't move or anything. Let me just make sure you can see this. This set, which was released about 20 years ago, shows the craftsmanship that was available back then. It is detailed, well made, and to me, fits the Barbie core aesthetic. Now I checked eBay, and it seems like this particular set can go for about between $50 to $100 Canadian. So you may want to just kind of watch Facebook Marketplace and see where you can find it. Here are some photos with the new chair and a few of my dolls I took for you guys to take a look at. So thanks for watching, and please tune in next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.